Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're actually going to be doing a Nio versus Tesla comparison, what I think of overall both companies, and where their growth is going to be headed in the next coming years. Obviously, there's a lot of competition between these two companies, right? You have Nio, that's basically the Tesla out of China, producing luxury fast EV cars. You have Tesla, who's basically the pioneer of the EV industry itself. Coming out, a lot of people thought Tesla was going to fail, but it ended up being a remarkable company, growing and expanding like crazy. And a lot of people are asking overall, what company's better? What company's going to strive to be the best company? As you guys know, overall, if you're taking a look at Tesla, Tesla is a lot more established than Nio when it comes to the overall sense. It has vehicles on the road, it's selling, and it's expanding like crazy. Last 4 profitable quarters, and kind of Elon Musk has taken the company to a great place. He's now rolling into the truck industry, and he's expanding the company as fast as he can. Better batteries and cheaper cars as well. But you guys have to keep in consideration that this is going to be a very unbiased video. So rolling into Nio right now, I mean, if you're taking a look at Nio, like, yeah, their earnings aren't that good. And honestly, Nio's burning through a lot of cash at the moment. So if you're taking a look at it from an investment analysis, Tesla is the safer bet just because Tesla is a more established company. It has a lot more going for it, but Nio is growing quickly. And there's a lot of bullish sentiment behind Nio that Tesla didn't have right out the gate. Yes, you have your bears on Nio, but I mean, there's a lot of people that thought Tesla was going to fail. And I mean, there's almost like no bearish sentiment on Nio because everyone knows that Nio is going to grow to be a great company one day. It's already expanding like crazy, coming out, expanding to Europe already. And the cool thing about Nio is they produce a luxury SUV, right? It's called, I think it's called the ES8 or something like that. But you guys have to understand, 7-seater SUV, fully electric, that's half the price of Tesla's Model X. If you guys don't know, Tesla's Model X is a 6-figure car versus the ES8 or Nio's SUV is only $51,000. I mean, when you're taking a look at a comparison, it appeals more to the lower middle class and even the middle class as well. Although, if you take a look at it, Tesla just did announce that they're going to be rolling out a $25,000 vehicle. So that makes, Tesla cars a lot more affordable to people who aren't as fortunate with money. I think the reason why a lot more people are bullish on Nio as well is like, if you're taking a look at the cost of the actual stock itself, Nio is only $18.36. Company just started coming out hot. I mean, looking at the 5-year chart, this thing IPO'd in 2018. Although the company has been around for a while, a little bit, but looking at the 1-year chart, it's up 795%. Nio's stock just looks more appetizing because a lot of people know that Nio's growth hasn't started yet, and everyone knows that Nio's growth is going to be coming, in the next 5 to 10 years, or maybe even sooner. But overall, Tesla has already grown and it's expanded. I think people are kind of investing in Nio because it has that potential to be the next Tesla, to be the next $2,500 stock versus Tesla that's already there. When you're looking at it from an investment standpoint, yes, Tesla can grow, but Tesla's also $400 a share. Now, when you're looking at it from an investment standpoint, I can buy, about 20 shares of Nio for the same price of like 2 Tesla shares. So when you're looking at it from an overall investment perspective, it's just more appetizing to get Nio stock because Nio basically does the same thing, branding itself as the Tesla of China, coming out strong, coming out hot, expanding like crazy. A lot of people are burning or kind of, rooting for Nio. I've said this before, but Nio is, I'd say the only bad thing about Nio is they're burning through a lot of cash at the moment. And even though that, that's a bad thing, a lot of people are bullish on Nio, has a lot of bullish sentiment, always getting analyst upgrades, and it's in a lot better spot than Tesla was when it first started. I'll tell you guys that much. I mean, Nio's coming out the gate, it's swinging, but what has Nio going is technology is more advanced now. Nio can use this technology to expand faster. Nio also has the business model and knows that it can analyze the flows that Tesla had to figure out on its own. You guys have to understand that Nio essentially is using Tesla's business model, one that people thought was going to fail. A lot of people see that Tesla's business model works. Nio's going to copy it and it's going to be successful a lot faster. Nobody can deny that. Tesla didn't see success until recently. If you guys don't know, Tesla didn't even see a profitable quarter until 2018 when the company was founded in 2003. So people have to keep in perspective that Nio is in a lot better position than Tesla was when, if you're looking at the comparison of their lifespan when it comes to their actual companies. But you have to understand, technology has also come a long way since 2003. So what does that mean? I mean, that means Nio is going to be able to deliver better batteries, updated features in the car, and stuff that's overall more appetizing. And like I said, Nio's cars are also cheaper. So that also puts into the perspective to some people that makes not only the stock, but the company a lot more appetizing. You want to go buy a Model S, you want to go buy a Model X, they're $100,000 cars. It's expensive. And when they get these longer lasting batteries, I can almost guarantee that the prices are going to be going up. Overall, when you're comparing Nio versus Tesla, it is going to be a tough comparison overall. You know, some people say Nio is better, some people say Tesla's better. Although Tesla is more established, its growth is already happening and it's already happened. Tesla had all this year to grow, all last year to grow as well. Nio's just starting out, and I know that Nio's going to deliver a lot to the table, and I know that Nio's going to be a good competitor to Tesla, already branding itself as the next Tesla. Before people can actually dig into Nio, you have to give this time for the company to actually establish itself. And Nio's doing very, very well for itself. Basically, if you guys took a look at Nio's August deliveries in itself, I mean, they were outstanding. The company's already expecting $550 million in revenue. I mean, for a company that's only 5 years old, I mean, that's honestly impressive for a company that's honestly just starting out. On top of that all, the EV company is expanding like crazy. If you take a look at like Workhorse stock or Tesla or Highland or all these companies are expanding like crazy. So the demand in the next coming years is going to be rampant for Nio. Nio has that going for it. You know, if you take a look at Tesla, a lot of people didn't really have a want for luxury electric cars until recently. I'm talking maybe the last 4 to 5 years is when kind of the whole electric luxury kind of want started to happen. But you guys have to understand, Tesla did not see that success at first. The thing is, when Nio's starting out right now, the demand is already there for Nio. So Nio doesn't have to work as hard to bring in customers. It doesn't have to work as hard to bring in sales. Overall, this is better for Nio because Nio has the updated technology. They can produce longer lasting batteries, more updated features in all their cars, making it more appealing to people who want to buy the car. Tesla did not have this, which kind of led Tesla to struggle at first. There wasn't a want for the whole electric industry back in 2003 when Tesla was founded, or even back in 2008 when Tesla was already in the production of its cars. Nio, on the other hand, a lot of people are bullish about it, and it gets analyst upgrades because the growing supply of the EV industry is there. So that makes Nio's case overall more bullish. Obviously, everything I say in my videos, guys, is not financial advice. All of my stuff is just opinionated, but I think Nio has a more bullish case than Tesla it is if you're looking at where, you know, Tesla was in 5 years compared to Nio. Nio's already expanding like crazy, and I honestly think you should invest in both. But this was kind of like an overall comparison. In my opinion, I think Nio will be better than Tesla, but that's all speculation. Nobody knows, and that's just my opinion. I think Nio is going to be better than Tesla. I think, you know, giving the time spent by 15 years that Nio's been around, I think Nio will have established itself as a way bigger company than Tesla is. Obviously, I'm not bashing Tesla because Tesla's still a very good company, rolling out updated features, rolling out cheaper cars, and rolling out better batteries. So both have very bullish sentiments. I'm very curious to think what you guys think about the overall situation. What EV company do you guys think is better? I'm very curious to know your guys' comments, your guys' opinion down in the comment section below. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say. Just know I'm bullish on both. Let me know which one is your favorite EV company, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.